Keep your upper arm in. Look straight ahead. Stretch your fingers out, and then bring your arm across, you looking straight ahead. Inhale, look to the right, arm opens to the left. Exhale, look straight ahead, and then you draw the arm across. Inhale, look to the right, open to the left. Keep the arm alongside your torso. Oh, that was some nice popping going on in the arm. Exhale, look straight ahead, and then the arm comes across. Do we have it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One more time. I'm coming back to join you all. Okay, here we go. Inhale, look to the right, open your arm to your left. Exhale, look straight ahead and bring the arm across. Get taller. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, look to the right, open to the left. Exhale, look straight ahead and lengthen and come out of this contraption. And shoulders up and back and down. Exhale, get taller. Bring the arm between your ribs and your pelvis. Sitting tall. Inhale, look to the left, open to the right. Exhale, look straight ahead and arm across. Inhale, open. Aha, just what I thought. Keep that arm right here. Open. Look to the left as you open to the right.
Yep.
Exhale, come back, look straight ahead. That's in front of you. Okay. Inhale, look to the left, open to the right. This is your debut. This is left. Left. Exhale, look straight, come across.
But you know what I'm looking at?
I don't know what you're looking at.
I'm looking at Pat, and I'm saying that would be easier to grab your arm.
Only if you can grab your
can,
arm.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. If you don't need the belt, if you have gargantuan long arms, you can hold on. Okay. One more time. Lillian, are you bored? Inhale, look to the left, over to the right. Exhale, look straight and take your arm between your pelvis and your ribs. One more time. Open.